Hey everybody, been a while. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and DIY Tube video community. Haven't been on the homestead too much in the past week. I'm sitting in the store obviously right now, got the poster up. We have been bringing in more products, working here a lot. I have been working in my electronics lab a little bit, my off-grid, fully off-grid electronics shop. There's no wires connected to that in any way, shape, or form except for the solar panels. But I was just too tired to do any video on that. We been putting a lot of long hours into the store, and things are settling down now. We are wrapping up the bulk of the work in here. We've got the shelves up, they're tied together. There's no way those can be knocked over. They're locked into one to another. My family came in and did some decorating. We got 28 cases of new products came in. Might want to check out Sorry Shop Michigan on YouTube and check out all the new products we got if you're interested. Also, I'm going to be putting all the new products on the store online. DIY Tube has been coming along. I'm looking at my computer as I talk to you. Been working on DIY Tube behind the scenes. I am going to put up a donate button on DIY Tube for those of you who are interested or willing to help, because I myself am paying for literally everything. The programming costs, the hosting fees, the cloud storage, all that adds up, and I'm eating that. And if anybody finds DIY Tube to be helpful for you, please do go ahead and when I get the donate button on there, please go ahead and help out a little bit. Right now DIY Tube is not earning any money, but when it does, I plan on, once it's earning profits, I do hope to share those with you, the members of DIY Tube. But that day hasn't come yet. Right now it's just costing me. I originally started it as a place to back up my videos, and I hope that many other people will do so as well. And that was my primary goal, was to have a storage place in case my channel on another popular site tanked, which it may one day do. Not due to anybody's or my own fault. I'm seeing a lot of channels having struggles out there. Come on over, get a free account, and start saving your videos over there before you lose your channel. Somebody asked me if I'm open to any type of a political group. I'm not going to take sides or anything. Yes, come on over. If you want your opinion heard, we don't discriminate. Come on over to DIY Tube. Now, as far as the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project and homesteading, I've been doing a lot of research on the computer about the wiring and the electronics I'm going to use to hook up my off-grid solar power and my cryptocurrency mining rigs. I do intend to continue mining cryptocurrency on bright sunny days and growing as I can. Also reducing our in-home solar power usage. The little tiny freezer we got is only going to it only uses 100 watts normally, plugged into normal wall outlet power, or solar for that matter. But when we convert it over to a refrigerator, it's going to be even more efficient, and I'm really excited to get that going. It's just that we haven't been home enough recently. We took a trip down to our food distributor ourselves. It was a 2-day trip there and back, but we made it into a sort of vacation. And we got frozen products in the store, which is very popular. So you can check out the store, the sorryshop.org or .net, or come in here and check it out yourselves. Anyway, that took up a lot of our time, and then the next day I spent putting things away. But in the evenings when I'm laying in bed waiting for the clock to roll around, I do, and I'm too tired to do anything else, I do research, and I plan on getting back into the videos again soon on how to get off the grid for $5,000 or less. That's coming up very soon. And, well, the continuation of the series. I've got projects laid out in advance. I've got plans. So it was just, the store took a lot of our time and effort. I got to get back out there and mow the lawn because the grass is growing unbelievable this year. Last year I mowed the lawn 3 times total, and that was it. And this year I hadn't even finished mowing, and I had to restart. Well, I have to restart. So it's crazy growing fast. So I got to get out there and do that. And expanding our solar power system as we go along. I have plans. I just put a video on the electronics channel. I have plans to use those fidget spinners I got that are sitting here in the store to make a Bedini motor, a Bedini Energizer motor, which is basically a very efficient pulse motor slash energizer. So if you pulse a motor and time it right, you can also have an energizer which produces energy. If you pulse it and time it right, you can have a motor slash energizer doing some work and using very, very, very little power to run it. Science has proven it. It works. Anyway, that's some experiments I have planned, so stay tuned for that. And that'll be on the electronics channel. A lot of stuff going on all the different channels, a lot of activities. I got to get back into my social media again and catch up on Patreon. While I was working on all this, I've got multiple, and I'm looking at my computer, I've got multiple social media accounts I use to share every bit of work I do, and I really have to catch up. There's not enough caffeine in my diet, and I got to get on that and start getting back to work on the social media and the networking sharing to boost all the work that I'm doing and let you guys know what's going on from all of my channels. So I use Patreon to show what I've done on every channel all together. I have slacked off in the last month, and I got to catch back up. I have various other social media and sharing sites which I need to get back onto, and those of you who follow on those sites, I'm going to catch up from where I left off to the present and then keep on going. That's just that the store took a lot of energy from us and a lot of time. Anyway, getting back into a flow of things. We leave here, we shut the doors at the end of the day, and we go home, and we're gonna start getting back into our homesteading. I do have plans though. The garden needs to be mowed. Literally, the garden needs to be mowed. So I'm gonna start taking cardboard from the shop, taking it home with me. I haven't taken it home, laying it out, putting mulch on top, and that'll help kill all the growth in the garden for now. And then when I plant, probably not this year, when I plant though next year, I can just poke holes through, put my seeds in, and only that will grow in those areas. And I've got to just keep building up the mulch layers to get that back to Eden no-till style garden. For this year, we might have a frost again tomorrow night, maybe. They're not warning us yet, but it's supposed to be 40 degrees in town. We're generally 10 degrees lower, so we're going to be in the 30s for sure. So we haven't planted anything outdoors yet. It just can't. It's been a very cold year and very unusual. It just is what it is. Lost almost everything on the front row by the road. My whole edible hedgerow is almost all dead and wiped out. All the grapes died. I replanted again, all dead. And the only thing that looks like they're trying to make it is the blueberries, and only 2 out of 4 are putting out flowers. So they even took a hit. The hazelnut trees, 1 may be trying to come back out of 4 hazelnut trees. Everything else is wiped. In the orchard, 2 trees are trying to come back, and some are trying to sprout at the base again from the ground, but rabbits have been eating that off, so I have a battle on my hands over there. Anyway, hope to get you back out to the homestead, but it's raining today, so probably won't be today. But we'll be getting that camera rolling out there and getting some more videos going. So I just wanted to give you an update. We've been really, really busy. A lot been going on. Check out all my channels. Got some new stuff on the tactical channel, on the electronics channel, on the store channel. Got DIY tube. You can find it all there. Everything I do is on there. So that's a good place to find a good overview of all my channels right there. And if you want a place to upload your videos, check it out. It's free. I pay for everything. Donation is optional, obviously, and hasn't even existed till now. But I'm going to put that up there. And oh, that's pretty much it. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, DIY2 video. Please hit that like, subscribe, and share, and that bell icon so you can get updates no matter what channel you're on over there. Thanks for watching.